Hey, it's JB here, folks, your auto car guy, here to kind of give you some topics. So I'm actually here at the dealership, our dealership, Kelly Nissan. When no one can, Kelly can. But let me jump into the video real quickly. We have so many customers that inquire about what's the difference between a 600 score, a 700 score, a 600 score, and a 500 credit score. And so I wanted to kind of highlight a couple points to tell you what's the difference between the two, and if banks see them different. And what are some things that you can keep in mind? So let's talk about it first. So let's just say you're a 700 credit score. All right. Now here, the 700s, they kind of got the muscle. They kind of got the flex. And what they can do is they have more buying power. Banks actually compete for your business a little bit as a 700. And so you're going to see that you're going to have actually access to lower rates. And when I say more buying power, you're able to finance more money. Now, some of the stipulations and requirements for the loan is different. Banks may not require for you to prove income, or they may not require for you to provide certain type of steps. So when you actually are a 700, you actually get to more or less pick any, meeny, miny, mo, kind of what you want when it comes to buying a car. Now, there's a slight difference because when you go into the 600 range, and we're talking, when I say 600, we're talking anywhere between 600 to 699. There is still some good buying power there, but banks may lean on your actual payment history if you've had previous car history. So we've seen sometimes where some banks, if you had previous car history, like you had an on-time payment of $500 a month before, and you paid off a car and you scored 600, they may bump you up to score you around 700, because banks look for loan to value, stability, and ability to repay the loan. Those are three things that the banks look for. So when you score 600, you still have some buying power. I mean, you can still go out and get the finance a $10,000 car, or you can still finance the $90,000 car. You know, but it doesn't change. What changes is maybe your interest rate is a little bit higher, and sometimes maybe there's some stipulations that you have to prove, like providing proof of income, providing proof of residence, valid driver's license, and stuff like that. But as a 600, you still have power. Don't let anyone tell you you don't. But now, let me show you something. The game changes a little bit. When you score 500, now 500s can buy a car. So when I mean by 500, anywhere from 500 to 599, you can still buy a car. So don't be distracted or discouraged that you can't buy a car. You can still buy a car. You may have to provide some more stipulations. What I mean by that is the bank may cap your amount to finance. So they may only allow you to finance a certain amount of money. Sometimes this is based on your score, and sometimes it's based on your actual credit as well, or your income. So if you score 500 and you have a little lower income, you might want to shop around and see how much buying power that you have, but you're going to have to most of the time provide proof of income, proof of residence, and a driver's license as well as scoring 500. Doesn't mean you can't get that new car you want. It just simply means that you may have some more stipulations, or you may have to provide some type of money down. And so that's where we come in at. And sometimes when you can buy a new car with us, especially at our Nissan dealership, if we have incentives, we can use those incentives to lower your amount of finance, to act as if money down, to help you get qualified for the loan. And so these are just some of the tips, the difference between a 700, a 600, and a 500. So I'm excited for you, because no matter where you lie within that spectrum, we have programs in place that can help you. So here's what I need you to do. I need you to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so I can drop more nuggets on you, more gems, what's the differences. And please, in the comment section, if you have questions or you want to see some more videos on this topic, let us know so we can share more of this information that we see every day. So I'm excited for you. Make sure you come see us here at Kelly Nissan. We're located at 4300 West 95th Street in Oak Lawn, Illinois.